Hello, hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, it has been a long time that I have not seen you guys. So, thought of making a video where I am sharing about my journey, how I started my journey, how was my Instagram journey, just sharing few stuff. So, I hope you guys enjoy. Started around 2017. My mom told no more pocket money, start earning anyhow, and I am a very shy person. I cannot just, randomly go in some office and do some office work or something. I have been scared of interviews since I was in school. So I was like, what am I going to do in future? How am I going to earn? Like interview से ही तो start होता है सब. But I was like, no, I have to do something of my own to just dodge this interview. And I didn't know that I am going to come into baking industry as such. But I was pretty sure that I have to do something of my own. चलो उतना तो हो गया. I love doing creative stuff, so I used to just do random paintings and sketches. Not that great, it was just वो एज के हिसाब से ठीक था. I used to just randomly do stuff and all. So I started with paintings and I made my own page, Euphoric Arts. My friend gave me that name, and my friends also insisted me like start a page, your sketches are nice, your drawing is nice, start some other page of your own and start selling those. So I said okay chalo karte hain karke, and my very first order was a disaster. Trust me, it was such a disaster. I still remember that girl told me to do everything, you know, like she told me I want this painting, I want that, I want this, and I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it for you. And she confirmed it really very nice, and I did not take the money. Okay, I did not take the advance, and I made a painting, and then I was quite not impressed with my painting because there was a slight mistake. So me being a good girl and thinking it's my first order and it should go out perfect, I told her ki actually this painting is not satisfying me, so I make another one more same, and then I'll send it to you. And she was like okay. I made it again, and when the time came for the delivery and everything, she blocked me. She blocked me, and she was not ready to take that paintings or pay me or any of that stuff. It was a total drama. Anyhow, I went and I took my money because it was my mehnat. I did it because you asked me to. So that was a whole other story I'll tell some other day. But then this was my first experience on Euphoric Arts. After some time, I saw some crafters doing cute explosion box and everything. I said, let's give it a try. So first I made it for my friend for his birthday, and it was a really good gift. Everyone loved it. It was very fancy and very cute. And I just posted that on my art page that I created this art. And all my friends were asking कि ये box का price कितना है. Even I want to gift my friend, and that's how I started with crafts. That's how I came in crafts. Rather than selling paintings, people were interested in crafts. So you know how Instagram works. You get all new trends on Instagram and then you just hop on into it. So that's how I just came across a few cupcakes, cakes and everything on my page, and I was like, oh, this is so cute. I just want to try to bake one. So that's how it started. It started with let's try to bake one cupcake. So I told Apurva, let's bake a cupcake and see. And Apurva has always been in with me through thick and thin. Yes. So she said, like, okay, let's go, let's bake and see. So the first two times we failed. Yeah, हमारा cupcake बन ही नहीं रहा था. Rather, it was not coming up only, it was just going down. All it was not baking only, यार. And we were like, problem क्या हो रहा है? We are doing everything. Why is it happening like that? Then we realized we were using our old baking soda. You're supposed to use fresh. मेरा पुराना घर में जो पड़ा था इतने टाइम से I was using that. So that is the reason why it was not happening. Then we went and we brought all the fresh materials, and then we tried for the third time and it was a success. Yes. So during this time when we were trying all this, that time in my college there was a fest going on and there were stalls available. So one of my friends, she told me, why don't you put up a stall, Rutika? As you have this craft page and everything, you can put up a stall. And I have been a very bad kid. I have not attended my college. I have done nothing good in my college. Yeah, I'm not very proud of it. You all should not do like that. But then, yes, taking a part in this stall thing also was a very bit, like a roller coaster for me. Should I? Like, I used to be very aloof from all this. So then too, I was like, okay, chalo, let's put up a stall. And I told Apurva. And Apurva is like, you want to do this? Let's do it. You want to do that? Let's do it. Apurva has always been there. Like, trust me, today where Euphoric Cakes is, it wouldn't have been possible because of her. Because if वो interest दिखाया नहीं होता, I don't think so. I would have shown more of interest in that too. Like, I would have said, ठीक है चलो इतना नहीं करते. But you need such friends who keep supporting you from the start, and she has been there always. So yes, after this, she told, okay, let's put up the stall. So I made 10 explosion boxes, different type ka craft materials, and we baked cupcakes. Only chocolate cupcakes, chocolate cake jars, and normal chocolates were up on our stall. Because we didn't know anything about whipping cream, and we just knew how to make ganache and chocolate cupcakes. That's it. So on our stall, we made chocolate cupcakes, chocolates, and cake jars. So during the stall, we paid 400 rupees for the stall. And I was like, यार अपूर्वा सिर्फ 600 या 700 भी आ गया ना, 600 to 700 rupees max. If we make that much also profit, I don't have any problem. I'm not expecting too much. I just want कि रेंट जो दिया है उतना निकल जाए कि हम मम्मी पापा को फिर से दे सके. So we were like, okay, fine. Then guess what happened? People came in, people ate a cupcake, cake jar, chocolates, and they were so impressed. They were like, oh, this cake is so nice. This cupcake is so nice. The cake jar is so nice. And we got so motivated. We got so motivated that you don't have any idea. Because 400 के जगह हम 4,000 rupees लेके जा रहे थे घर. And we were so proud that time. And it was such a good experience. Like, not even expecting too much and you got that much was the best part. So don't keep high expectations. Just think that everything is going to go good and it just happens. So we got really very motivated through that. Once we did that on a stall in our college, we had another fest coming up again in our college only, and we participated in that also, and we put up a stall again in our college, and it was a success again. People loved, everything was out of stock, and we just loved everything over there. So it was a very great opportunity that started right from my college. So I am very much thankful for my college also that I got a chance to explore. If at all I wouldn't have explored that part, I don't think so ये सब मेरे साथ हुआ होता. So whenever you get the small opportunities, don't leave that. Just go for it. So that's how we got motivated towards baking part, because we were making more of profit in baking, and at the same time we were enjoying baking so much that abhi it was no one can stop us. It was like that. And then 2 times in our college in a row it happened great. Then there were other colleges also and there were fests too. So we discussed like, okay, we can go in other colleges also and put up stalls and everything. We took a risk and we went up in a college which had a fee of like stall fees, rent was 12K. Okay, we took that risk. We thought that this was a small part in a college which we took, and the function was also small. There was not big footfall or anything, but here we have exposure. So they told us itne log aayenge, itna ye hoga. So that is the reason why the rent is high and everything. But then we were like, okay, let's take a risk. And we convinced my dad, and my dad was like, okay, Chiku, you can do it. And I was like, yay, come on, let's do this. This is going to be so huge. And this was all during our college times, okay? We were studying and we were putting up stalls both together. So we were like, chalo dalte hai. We paid 12,000. And the response was very bad. The response was really very bad. The footfall was not that much they promised us, and the kids were ready. They were not ready to shell out money. I don't know. I'm not taking the college name, but it was not that great experience over there. So that is the reason why it was a total disaster. But then it was not no profit, no loss. We made as much as we spent on the rent and on materials. We got that much again in our hand. So my daddy was proud of that. My daddy told me that it's okay. It's okay to fail. You got a lesson. You learn more. So just don't give up so easily. Every time it's not going to be a success. Every time you're not going to like sit like ये आज भी मेरा अच्छा दिन है नहीं. Sometimes you have to face bad days, and we faced one. After that, again there were 2-3 colleges. We did our stalls. We then put up a stall in Symbiosis 2 times, and it was awesome. The experience and everything in Symbiosis College was awesome. So I miss putting up stalls. So the journey of baking that started was because of stalls. We used to not take orders first for normal stuffs. We used to not take orders. We used to just put up stalls, and eventually we started taking orders thoda thoda chota chota घर वालों के लिए and all, and it was really going quite well. After that, corona आ गया. We were at home, so we started it in full fledged. Okay, I would have started my dancing and baking long time back if मेरे पास अच्छा mobile होता. But I didn't have a great mobile. I used to take my sister's mobile. Didi give me now to click photos of cake and everything. So one fine day, my dada thought कि चलो let's buy a good phone for Chiku. So he bought a phone for me. And oh, my pet name is Chiku, Rutika. Okay, my name is Chiku, pet name. Sorry. So yeah, so my dad got me a phone. That's how I started with IGTVs, and I had always been very much interested to, like doing those TikTok videos and drama. I used to do that back then also. So TikTok तो बैन हो गया, and अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. So मैं normal IGTVs बना रही थी, and I just knew one thing, that if you want to look different from the crowd, you have to be different. And there were already good bakers in the industry, and there are so many. And coming in front of them, a normal teenager who doesn't even know properly to bake or anything was trying to fit in. And it was really like, how do I take this off? Like, how do I get my eyes? How do I get followers and everything? For 1 year, I had only 350 followers. That too, they were all known people, only known people, no unknown people. So then somehow Reels came in, and I got the idea, why not entertain and bake as well? So that's how I started baking and dancing to get people's attention, to get exposure, to do something different that no one is doing. That's how people recognized me. And once that videos were getting like, yeah, it's going somewhere, we are reaching somewhere, the Reels views used to increase, and I reached a milestone that was 5K, and I celebrated that milestone, and I was so happy, so happy. Y'all don't have any idea. Okay, that was my first celebration and last, I guess, that I celebrated on a particular milestone. So we celebrated 5K full josh mein, and we didn't know what is going to happen the next day. We were clueless. I'm just sitting, I'm making a cute pinata ball. I was making small cute pinata ball, I still remember. And during that time, one of my videos got featured, and I was like jumping around as if I've got a blue tick on my page. I was screaming, and my mom is like, "Kya hai, Chiku? Why are you screaming so much?" Like, "Mummy, my video got featured." And my mummy didn't understand that happiness because she doesn't know the meaning of what is like being featured on Instagram. So yeah, that's how I got featured, and then I got 26 million views on that particular reel. It was my dancing reel, and it was something different. And there were two types of people, positive and negative. Some were like, "Oh my god, we have never seen something like this, and it's so cool and it's so nice." Some were like, "Oh, please stop dancing, what the hell are you doing?" and everything. So I was actually sitting and crying for the negative part, to be honest. There were abusive words too in that, which I did not expect at all. And it was crazy. It was really very crazy to get featured, and like 26 million views is a lot. And going through all that, I was like, I was not used to a single bad comment and getting so many. Like, oh my god. But then my friends and family, they just told me why it got featured, because you deserved it. And look at the positive parts. See the people who are loving on you. See the response. And the response was so nice that from 5K, we went to 45K followers in 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I guess. Somewhat like that. So that video got that viral that we got 45K followers. That means it means something, that people were interested to see what I'm doing. People loved what I was doing, and that made me so happy. And there was no stopping then. After that, I just made reels, I started entertaining, and people were just loving it. Another one got featured, then another one got featured, and that's how my journey on Instagram began. So to fit in, you have to be a little bit different. Your marketing strategy should be a little bit different than others. And I got mine, and I just did it, and I got a positive result of that. And to be honest, I used to never focus on other things. During this journey of mine, during that only, there were another positive point was lockdown began, and there were so many bakers coming in, new bakers coming in, home bakers, kids were baking. So people were finding it really very interesting. Lucky or not, I don't know, but I am blessed. I am blessed to have each and every one of y'all loving on me